Hello everyone, today I got a package I want to share with you. I waited 2 months for my order from Spek and now it is here. I will show you what I ordered right away. So let's open. As always, it's on top, so that my address is hide. But let's have a look what is inside. There are 2 beauties in there. So we'll see. It's the first package. This one. Let's put it aside. And the next one. So cute. So small. And this one. So let's have a look. What is here? The card from Spek. I'm your new VDS planner. Some filling stuff and a leather example, I guess. New book, Cyclade. Okay. Wow. This looks really beautiful. The color is, oh, it's such a light blue. Oh, I'm sorry. Such a light blue color. I don't know if you can see it. So soft. It's almost like, no, not suit. Oh. Oh, I love it. And I love the color. It is so beautiful. I'm sorry for my short nails. 3 were broken as I tried to open our gardener door. I don't know how I have done that, but yeah, I'm sorry. So let's have a look for the 2 beauties here. I think we will open the smaller one the second and this one first. So let's have a look inside. Ooh, ouch. Oh, okay. Another one. I can use it for crafting. That's okay. One I will use for a bookmark or something. I'm really excited about it. So let's open it up. Ah, so beautiful. This one is an A6 Codex in Janet Leather Brown. I bought a pre-loved Janet Leather in pocket size, and Janet Leather Brown in pocket size, and I really love it. And now I wanted to have in A6 for my Hobonichi in A6, and I really love the chunky clasp. It's an A4 clasp. We have a front pocket There's no stiffener, no Bontex, nothing in there. It's just pure leather. Oh, and it's so squishy. Oh my gosh, I love it. It feels so nice. This is really nice. So I asked for, yeah, more smooth leather. This one is really smooth. Some wrinkles in here, but nothing too much. Oh my gosh. I need to smell it. Give me just 1 second. Oh, amazing. Such an amazing smell. Leather smell. You have a little mark here, a little mark here. Nothing special, nothing. Oh, and it's so soft and squishy. It's really nice. Oh my god. Yeah. I made no other changes. Just the clasp, an A4 clasp, a front pocket, and okay. I made the loop a little bit bigger so that the pens, not pen, I'm using will better fit in there, because normally I have a little smaller pen and then I can clip in so I can have 2 pens in here if I want to. Not that I use it like that all the time, but normally I have 2 pens. It's one Zebra Sarasa and a Tombow, I guess. I'm not sure what it was, but yeah, I guess it was a Tombow. Let's take these cards out. The lining is dark brown, I guess, or it's black. No, it's dark brown. I wasn't sure what I decided, but yeah, it's dark brown. Oh, it's so soft. When the cards are out, this is even squishier. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with this one. You have 1, 2, stupid without my nails. 3, 4, 5 card slots. A little bottom pocket here, a pocket here, 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 and here. This one is to tuck it in. The Hobonichi, the A6, whatever notebook you use. Here you can also tuck it in, but I'm not doing this because I normally have a clear cover. So let's have a look. I will take my Hobonichi from the other cover to see if it fits with a clear cover. So I will take it out. Give me just 1 second. Too much bits and bobs in here. So this is the pen I use normally. And this one. This is the Tombow Mono Brush, I guess. Brush pen. Furenosuke Mono Brush. I'm not sure what I'm talking about. Furenosuke. I don't know how to spell it. But it's the with a hard tip, so I can hand letter something or paint or whatever. This I normally put in the loop, and now the last time I have to stick this one in front of the cover, so it's fits like this, and have this pen in the loop. But now I hope that I can clip this one in here. Yeah, so it's not beautiful, but it's practical. Maybe I should have put this loop a little bit higher, but I want to save costs, so I decided against it. So let's take this one out. It's really stuck in there. And then, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hope everyone is fine. And let's see if it will fit. I'm not sure if it will, because it's really okay. You have to work for it to make it fit, but it will fit, and that's nice. Yeah. Okay, nothing I would do yet, because this needs really a little bit of work. Oh, okay, it's okay. It goes somehow in there. Yeah, okay. Let's, okay, just let me finish it. It's not the normal clear cover from Hobonichi, because this one would be too wide to fit in there, or too high, and the height would be too. But this one is really snug, sits really snug, so it fits nicely. Okay. I'm not sure if it's, yeah. Maybe I have to put it a little more in the pocket, but it's hard work. This is really it's annoying. The next time I will order something, I have to make it a little bit higher, just a few millimeters, so it goes there a little bit better in there. No, I'm losing everything. Okay, we'll leave it like that. That's okay. You can see it. It's in. I have to push it in there a little bit more. I made a I don't know how to say, but it's okay. It will go. And this is so soft. I really love it. Okay, this one is the first, and now let's have a look for the second one. Okay, I made an extra popper on the cover. Because of this, I have to put it a little bit wider at sometimes, and sometimes I will close it with a little more snug fit. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Such a lady. I love it. Okay, now the next one. This is this one. I'm so excited about this one. I wasn't sure if I really need this one, because I have one from another brand and I really love it, but I love the leather from Spek, and I wanted to try out something new from the size. So I decided I need a passport size. This is a Nomad with clasp, with an A4 clasp. I wasn't sure if I wanted to be in the Janet leather velvet undyed on the outside. Then I thought that I really love the normal undyed leather from undyed Janet leather, whatever. Because I have my everyday planner is an A6 in undyed from Spek, and I really love the leather of it. So I decided to go, oh, okay, you can see this one is really light, brand new. This one, I don't thought that this one was darken a bit, but yeah, it is. It gains some patina. Not really so much that you can see it if you have no comparison, but this one is really light in comparison to this one. Okay, yeah, I love this one. So I decided to go on the undyed Janet leather for the outside and the undyed velvet undyed for the inside. So we have the Nomad layout on the inside. We have a pen loop. I also put up the size. I guess it was 15 millimeters. Oh, I love this leather. But it was a good decision that I don't put it on the outside, because you can see it. I'm touching it and it marks. Yeah, it's like sewed. Oh, but it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Also for this one, no, okay, I asked for no Bontex or something like that, but there is some Bontex in it. Maybe it's not possible with the velvet undyed to do it without, or because of the holes you have to punch. Not sure, but it's okay. It's not too stiff, so it's okay for me. You have a pocket here, 2 card slots on the side, a bigger pocket here, a secretarial flap on this side with brown lining, and a little bottom pocket here. It's also, I don't know, did I set it? That it's A4 clasp. And I widened the spine. Did I? Not sure. No, I wasn't. Yeah, I love this one too, but I'm really in love with the A6 cover. But this one is a cutie. It's really cute. So I have to transfer everything what is in here in this one. And I am not sure if it will close, but if you can see, there's the cover on, so I guess, and this one also what bulks up, so I guess it will close perfect. Yeah, that's it. Tiny little one, traveler's passport size, traveler's notebook passport size, I'm sorry. Oh, I love it. Can you hear it? Squeaky. Not sure if this will annoy me, but I'm using it for holidays and when we are on vacation, so it's okay. I can live with it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 bands to put something in. I will try with one. Just let me open it up and take this one out. This one is a little smaller, I guess, than the passports are. Yep, because I have to cut it down. It is a moleskin. Oh, I don't know what it was. But yeah, moleskin. Let me put it in here and see how it sits. Oh my god. I'm too stupid to put something in here. Okay, now I crinkled my pages, but that's okay. Yeah. Sits good. This one is way too narrow, but it's okay. It fits perfectly in here from the hay. The passport size is a tiny bit taller, so this will also perfect fit in. Yeah. 2 new beauties. I really love these. So cute, this one. So cute. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can leave a thumb up if you do. And I scratched this one. Oh. No, it's okay. Okay. I already ruined my new cover. No, I love the marks everything leaves behind. I don't pamper my covers or my planners at all, so that's okay. If you have 3 kids, you can't pamper anything. It's, Mom, oh, what is this? Can I look at this? With chocolate fingers. So, okay. This was it. I wish you a lovely day and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.